Hi everybody, this is Konstantin again from Sniper Tuning, and I would like to show you one really nice feature which we've made on the SC82, which is available for everybody who get a flash from me. So basically a lot of people still run the factory exhaust, and if you know, the factory exhaust got a exhaust valve which is right here with two cables. Instead of removing this exhaust valve, because it's very beneficiary to remove it after getting the bike tuned, what I can offer are two options. One, we can disable the exhaust valve servo motor entirely, or we can do a special reprogramming of the exhaust valve code to make it open as soon as the bike go in gear. So just to show you what I mean, I'm gonna start this bike up, and please pay attention to the sound of the engine and watch what happens basically when I put the bike in gear and then put it back into neutral, etc. You will see as soon as the bike go into gear and as soon as you take off, the exhaust valve will open completely, and therefore it's like having the exhaust valve removed, except you don't have to remove anything. So I'm gonna show you this right now. So as you can see, as soon as you put the bike in gear and start to release the clutch, the exhaust valve will open all the way, and you can just skip completely the procedure to remove the cables from the exhaust valve, and you don't need to bother with any of that stuff. If anybody got any questions, you can just write me a message or send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer you. Thanks and goodbye.